Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're going to unbox the Honor MagicBook 15, launched in the second half of 2020. This is an update to the Honor MagicBook lineup of laptops, which has the new AMD Ryzen mobile chipsets in them. So, Honor very kindly sent us this review device, which as you can see is the MagicBook 15 with the Ryzen 5 4500U chipset, 8GB of RAM, and a 512GB SSD. So what we're going to do is open it up today, show you what the contents of the packaging include, and after we've done that, in a separate video we're going to do a review of the device, after having used it for about 2 weeks. So you'll see the packaging is standard and very similar to the Honor packaging that we've seen on previous Honor laptops. And on the inside you get a nice selection of basic accessories. So let's start with the charger, which is very important to us. This is a nice travel-friendly charger with a little clip-out UK plug. And if we read the details, this is a USB Type-C charger, which outputs at 20 volts at 3.25 amp. So it's a 65 watt USB Type-C charger, which you'll be able to use for your smartphone as well. And good thing, all the most recent decent Honor smartphones have USB Type-C for charging. And then in the box, we also have a nice soft touch plastic bag, with a high capacity USB Type-C cable, which will be able to carry those 65 watts to charge the laptop, which is really good. If, on the other hand, you've already seen one of our more recent videos on the Tech Travel Geeks, we have also reviewed some separate gallium nitride or GaN chargers, which have the same capacity but also have a separate USB output for your phone or other accessories. So the charger is great, 65 watt USB Type-C travel charger, a quick start guide which I'm sure we'll read through when necessary, and let's take the laptop itself out of the box. There we go. So I'm going to put the box away, nothing else in there. Very good that Honor are not overdoing things with regards to the contents of the packaging. Now, nice styrofoam holders here, and through the plastic packaging we can see that Honor blue coming through. And I'm going to open this up carefully. Here we go. And there we have it. So this is the 15-inch Honor MagicBook 15. And top down, it looks really nice. It's a nicely finished sort of medium grey aluminium casing. And the Honor logo is nice reflective blue. And you can just see it on the edges. The chamfered edging has that same reflective blue. It gives it quite a distinguished look and feel. And that's smooth at the edges, so it's really quite nice. On the sides, you'll see that here we have a USB-A port and a Courage port. That's a 3.5mm audio jack. Good thing that they haven't removed that. We're big proponents of that. And on the other side, you'll have HDMI out and another USB Type-A port. On the back, there's nothing because this is a minimalist laptop. And on the front, there's just microphone hole. At the bottom you'll see that we have the fan grille. This Honor MagicBook 15 has a new cooling system that we've seen improved on the previous Honor MagicBook lineup, and bottom firing stereo speakers. Now you'll see that it says AMD Radeon Graphics, and that's paired with our AMD 4000 series chipset, which is an hexa-core chipset. Let's open up the Honor MagicBook 15 and see what it looks like on the inside. Now there's a nice little plastic inlay to keep the keyboard safe. And the keyboard is nice and big and wide. This is a 15-inch laptop, so there's plenty of room to rest your palms and type if necessary. Now, there's also here, as well as the AMD Ryzen 5 sticker, there's the Honor Magic Link sticker. Now, this is something that we've seen before on the Honor MagicBook 14 that we covered in our last review of an Honor MagicBook. It's a really handy way of connecting your device to your smartphone and being able to hand off files and certain actions. So good to see that there. And this is the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader, which is great for security. Now, the keyboard is nice. The buttons have a bit of travel to them. They're not flat or unresponsive. And as with other Honor MagicBook and Huawei MateBooks, the webcam is here. Yes, it's another pop-up webcam that points potentially at your chin, but we'll need to put that through its paces. Now, what you don't see in the keyboard is the fact that the screen itself has minimal bezels at the top and at the sides. And that's because they made the engineering choice to minimize that, make the Honor MagicBook 15 more smaller bodied device than it could have been by doing that and moving the webcam to the keyboard. And it also is quite good for privacy. If you don't want people hacking into your webcam, if it physically can't see through the fact that it's closed in the keyboard, it's not an issue. So I'm going to switch the device on and get some first impressions of what the screen looks like, but we'll do a separate video here on the Tech Travel Geeks for the actual setup. Actually, there's no battery. I'll need to charge this device, but that lovely big 15-inch screen, we'll have to put it through its paces in a later video. But for now, thanks for watching that unboxing of the Honor MagicBook 15. This is just a quick, very cursory first impression of what the hardware is like, what the contents of the packaging is like, and that 65 watts travel charger with its USB cable. As I said, minimal contents to the box, but all the things you need to get up and running. So for now, thanks for watching this video of the unboxing of the Honor MagicBook 15 for late 2020. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you have any further questions or you'd like to ask us anything, just pop a comment below this video. We'll do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. But for now, as I said, thank you for watching this unboxing. We'll speak to you soon.